Hi students, welcome to Edurific. As you can see, we are on the App Lab page of the code.org platform. So in this session, we shall be creating a simple online shopping app. As you know, there are already many online shopping apps prevalent in our app stores or play stores. We shall discuss how these online shopping apps are made and discuss the fundamental layout of how an online shopping app is. So in this session, we shall use very basic things and a fundamental layout for creating an online shopping app. So firstly, let us discuss and think about how our online shopping app should be looking. So since we'll not make it complicated, we shall just have very minimal options and very minimal choices for the user. Alright? So firstly, this app requires more than 2 screens for the user to switch between different options. So firstly, the first screen will be the introduction screen of the app where the user provides the different product options. In the next screen, he will actually mention the product options. For us, we'll just take technology and household. So in technology, we'll again give option of 2 products, which is one laptop and the other camera. And in household, we shall give 2 options. And for each of these options, we will give an option for the user to buy. Let us see how we shall be creating a basic outline for all of this. So for this, firstly, we shall go to the design mode of the App Lab. As you can see, I've already saved this project as online shopping app. Now, I'm on the design mode of this App Lab. So firstly, we'll be creating the screen 1, which we will be rewriting as the platform screen, where we shall drag the image element and place it in between the screen. Now in the properties, we shall go to image and choose, go to the icons and search for a cart which resembles an online shopping app. So we'll just click on the shopping cart. Now we will drag a button just below it. Name the button as Products button and replace the text on the button as Products. To give it a classic look, we shall change the color of the button to black. Now this is our platform screen, which introduces the user to the different products which will be available. Now we shall go to the next screen, which is by clicking on the new screen. We shall name this screen as Category Screen. We shall again take the image element and place it here. And again go to image properties, click choose, select the icons option, and again choose the cart icon. Now we shall be giving the options on this screen of the different kinds of products which are available on our app. So for this, we'll drag the button element, place it here. Since we have discussed that there will be 2 options of categories, we shall be naming it as the Tech button, and the text on the button shall be Technology. And now, for giving it a classic look again, we shall change it to black color. and we'll adjust the size of the button properly. Now we shall drag one more button element and place it right beside it. In the properties section, we shall change it to household, button, and we shall write the text as households. Now we shall be giving a color, again black, to maintain uniformity on the screens. Now as you can see, this is the category screen and the user might want to go back to the product screen again. For this, we shall have to place one more button on the top, name it back button 1, and put the text on the button as back and change it to this. Now as you can see, the user now has two options of choosing from technology and household. Let us now focus in one direction, which is of the technology. For this, we have to go to new screen, name the screen as text screen. Now we shall drag an image, go to the image properties, click choose and select icons, and now we will be choosing any icon which is similar to technology. So shall we choosing settings button. Now since we have already discussed that we will be giving two options for the user, which will be of a laptop and a camera, we shall drag the button here and give the options of laptop button and write the text on it as laptop. Change the color of the button to black. Now similarly, we shall be dragging one more button. Change the ID of the button as camera. And erase the text and write the text camera on the button. Change the color of the button to black so as to enhance the look of this. Now again here too, the user might want to go back to the previous page. For this again we shall be entering the button back. So for this we shall name it back 2 and erase the text and put the text back. Change the color of the button to black. Now as you can see, this is the text screen which gives the different options of laptop and camera to the user. Now in case the user chooses laptop, we should be going to the new screen for creating this and name it as laptop screen. Now we shall be adding an image. For this, we shall go to the properties, select choose icons, and choose a symbol or an icon which represents a laptop. For example, we have received this. So yes, this is a laptop, and under this we will give the option for the user to buy the laptop. So for this, we shall make it buy one, button buy one, and write the text buy on it and change the color to black. Again, the user might want to go to the previous screen and check his options. For this, we shall drag the button element, write it as back 3, and write the text as back and change the color to black. Now this is with the laptop screen. What in case the user chooses a camera? For this we should again create a screen saying camera, drag image into the visualizing section, choose an image by going into the icon section and choosing something similar to a camera. In case if you don't find, you can just search it out here. So we can choose this and now place a button to it, naming it buy 2, giving the option for the user to buy the camera in case he clicks the buy button, and writing the text buy, changing the background color to black. Now as you can see, all the options associated with the technology option have been given, such as the camera and the laptop. Now we'll go back to the category screen. Now we shall check on to households. That is, in case the user clicks on households, what do we do? So for this we'll again create a new screen, which will be the household screen. Now we shall drag an image, choose an image by selecting the icons category and searching for a house icon. As you can see, this is resembling, we can place it here. Now we shall give the option of any two household items such as a key and a book. So for this we shall drag a button, name it book button and rewrite the text as book. Change the color again to black. And now drag another button, name it key and change the text to key. Change the color to black. Now again, the user might want to go to the previous page. For this we'll again add a back button. If you keep a track of all the back buttons, this will be the 5th back button. And now we shall be writing the text as back and change the color to black. Now the user has the option of choosing either book or key. Now we should add a new screen to see what happens if he chooses the option book. So we shall add an image. In the image properties, we shall go to choose, click on icons and choose the icon of a book. Now for this, again under this we shall be writing buy. For this we'll create the ID as buy 4, buy 3 and write the text as buy and change the color black. Now the user might want to change his mind and go to the previous page to view the other options. For this we'll again put a back button. This is the 6th back button. So we shall place it as back 6 and change the text on the button as back and change the color to black. Now this is what happens if he chooses the book. Now we shall go back to the household screen. Now what happens in case the user chooses key? For this we shall be creating a new screen. Name it the key screen, drag an image. In the image properties, we shall be choosing the image. Click icons category and choose anything which resembles a key. Yes, this is the icon which resembles a key. So now we shall be dragging the button, element and writing it as by 4 button and naming it as buy, which on clicking the user will be able to buy the key. The user might want to go to the previous page, so we shall be creating a button saying back 6, back 7 and naming it as back, changing the color to black. You can see we have created the layout for our app. Now we shall be going to the main screen, which is the platform. So this is our platform. So when the user clicks on the products, it will be going onto the category screen, giving 2 options of technology and households. If the user clicks technology, it will be going on the tech screen. If the user clicks on the household screen, it will be going on to the household screen, giving options of book and key. Individually, all the options of laptop, camera, book, key have buy, where the user can buy them from. So this is our design layout for the shopping app. In the next section, we shall be seeing how to code and enable the user to buy any of these by giving character traits and feature to the elements we have used in building the layout of our app by using the design mode. I hope you have enjoyed yourself in creating your first shopping app and familiarize yourself on how to do this and can do another layouts too. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe.